Good morning, students. Welcome once again in online classes. This is class 8 home science class, and this is your home science book. This is HM publication book, and these are the chapters. And this is the chapter number 1, home science, meaning, definitions, scope, objects, and importance. As you have studied in previous classes also about home science, its meaning, definition. So here is nothing new. Ordinarily, home means a place where a person or a family lives. Thus, it is one's dwelling place. In that sense, home is concerned with households, functions, and its affairs. Homes also works as an institution for care of children and the aged person. Another term intimately concerned with home is family. A family is the smallest association defined by sex relationship means for procreation and upbringing of children. Both these institutions are necessary for the growth and development of human being. Meaning of home science. The word home means the place where a person or a family lives, and the word science means the systematized knowledge. Home means a place where a person lives or a family lives, and science is the systematized knowledge of anything. Hence, we can say home science means the systematized study of the place where a person or a family lives. वट आर दो सिस्टमेटाइज नॉलेज, कौन सी वो सिस्टमेटिक जानकारियाँ हैं जो कि होम साइंस हमें देता है. लाइक इंटीरियर डेकोरेशन, cleanliness and care of house, sanitation and disposal of waste, kitchen and food planning for the family, food and nutrition, preservation and storage of clothing, tailoring and washing, etc. Definition of home science. According to Dr. A.K. Richards, home science is a special subject dealing with income and expenditure of the family, cleanliness of food, adequacy of clothing, proper choice of house, etc. According to Lake Placid Association, home science is the study of those principles, conditions, and ideals which are concerned on the one side with immediate and physical environment of the man, and the other with his human nature. According to Lady Irwin College, home science is a practical science which makes the students to lead his family life successfully and solve social and economical problems easily and well. Nature of home science. Number 1 as a science and number 2 as an art. What do you think? What is home science? Is it is a science or it is a art? Let's discuss about it. Home science is considered science in the sense that a huge mass of knowledge is relating to home science is acquired by systematic study, observation, and experiences of facts which have been coordinated, systematized, and classified. A great deal of scientific knowledge has been borrowed by home science from the other like physics, biology, chemistry, and other biological sciences. Hence, we can say it is a science. How can we say it is an art? Home science is considered an art in the sense that all the knowledges get induced to making family life more happier and enjoyable. तो अगर हम कोई भी चीज़ हैप्पियर बना दें, इंजॉयबल बना दें, दैट इज़ एन आर्ट. सो वी कैन से दैट होम साइंस इज़ एन आर्ट. वी get knowledge from science how to use water heater, how to use electric appliances, but why? To make our life easier and happier. That is art. As a matter of fact, home science deal more as a science It is the only recent years that with the growing popularity of this subject in schools and colleges that the approach for studying and teaching this subject and its branches has necessarily become scientific. For example, a good home science teacher is one who lets the students know how existing methods of cooking have been collected, analyzed, experimented upon the evaluated to reach the methods she teaches in the schools or the college. Objects of home science. In brief, it can be said that home science is a science. पूरा जो हमारा लास्ट में हम कह सकते हैं कि होम साइंस इज़ अ साइंस. आर्ट तो है ही है बट इट इज़ अ साइंस. ऑब्जेक्ट्स क्या है होम साइंस के? डेवलपिंग एफिशिएंसी ऑफ द यूज़ ऑफ लेज़र टाइम. वी कैन यूज़ आवर लेज़र टाइम. जो भी हमारे पास एक्स्ट्रा टाइम बच रहा है हम उसको भी यूज़ करना सीख सकते हैं. डेवलपिंग नॉलेज अबाउट हाइजीन, टीचिंग हाउ टू डेवलप गुड हेल्थ, developing self-reliance and self-confidence, developing skills of home management, developing sense of responsibility, developing social and moral traits, developing sense of discipline, developing practical approach. Importance of home science. What are the importance of home science? Number one, helpful in making home life happier. सबसे पहले तो इसकी इम्पोर्टेंस यही है कि अगर इसकी हमें जानकारी है, इसकी नॉलेज है, तो अपना हम जो लाइफ है वो हैप्पियर बना सकते हैं. होम लाइफ अपना हैप्पियर हम बना सकते हैं. नंबर टू, न्यूट्रिशन एंड कुकिंग. Home science is concerned with the food buying, food preparation, preservation and storage of food article, food planning for the family, nutrition, therapeutic nutrition, nutrition groups of different food and carbohydrates, fat, proteins, minerals, vitamins, इन सब की जानकारी होनी चाहिए और होती है. Child development care and welfare of the child. It is necessary for every housewife to know how she can rear children well so that they may grow into good citizens. Physiology and hygiene. A housewife should know the functioning of the bodily organs and their growth. She must know how they can be kept clean. होम नर्सिंग एंड फर्स्ट एड, ये भी जानकारी होनी चाहिए. अचानक से कब कौन सी इमरजेंसी आ जाती है, कब आपको फर्स्ट एड की ज़रूरत पड़ जाती है, तो यू शुड हैव द नॉलेज ऑफ फर्स्ट एड एंड होम नर्सिंग. Knowledge of economic planning. Home science teaches how to manage economic affairs of the family within the income. Best use of spare time. Home science teaches how to make objects of artistic value like dolls, toys, and alpanas, etc., and can use their spare time. Developing knowledge of buying and selling. Home science teaches how to purchase, from where to purchase, and how much quantity is to purchase, and what is the best for their children, their family members. Developing saving habits. The housewives are taught about the importance of even small saving when accumulated together. Helping in gaining employment. The girls, after securing higher knowledge of home science, become eligible of gaining employment as first aid director, Anganwadi teacher, home science teacher in family planning department, gram sevika, and as a nutritionist. So this was the first chapter about home science, definition, scopes, importance. Hope you understand the chapter and hope you enjoyed the chapter. So in next video I will complete its exercises. Okay students, till then take care. Goodbye.